Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Fiz Ahmed. I am student of BDS first year. So today our topic is the optic nerve lesion. The lesions of the optic nerve occur due to the some pathological causes like the brain tumor or the tumor of the surrounding structure like the pituitary gland or the meninges, and the most important cause is the cerebrovascular accidents. And the second thing which is important is the common site of the optic nerve lesions to occur are the optic nerve and the optic tract. These 2 points in the pathway of the optic nerve are the places where the nerve fibers are closely packed together. Now, I will explain each and every case of optic nerve lesion one by one. The first one is the circumferential blindness. The circumferential blindness occurs due to the optic neuritis. The optic neuritis is basically the inflammation or the infection or the swelling of the optic nerve, and this infection spread from the ethmoidal or the sphenoidal sinuses, and the nerve get infected as it passes through the optic canal to enter the orbital cavity. So the inflamed or infected nerve in the orbital cavity is responsible for the circumferential blindness. The second one is the total eye blindness. The total eye blindness occurs due to the complete section of the optic nerve on one side of the eye. The next one is the nasal heminopia, which occurs due to the partial section of the optic chiasma at the lateral side or the nasal side. And the fourth one is the bitemporal heminopia, which occurs due to the sagittal section of the optic chiasma, basically the complete sagittal section of the optic chiasma, and it will produce lesion in the temporal fibers of the retina. Now the most important is the contralateral homonymous heminopia. This type of heminopia is produced due to the lesion of optic tract or optic radiation or the visual cortex. I will firstly explain what is the homonymous heminopia. It means that if the lesion of the one side of optic tract, optic radiation or the visual cortex occur, then this lesion would produce the same heminopia for both eyes. And what is the contralateral? It means that the opposite side. So now I will explain the whole case, contralateral homonymous heminopia, by considering the first condition in which the optic tract lesion occur. If the right optic tract lesion will occur, then the heminopia of the right nasal and the left temporal heminopia will occur, and this will be same for the optic radiation lesion and the visual cortex lesion as well. So here we are done with our 7 cases of optic tract lesion or of the optic nerve lesion. Thank you.